Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the further notifications. What are the principles of the type of the insurance? What types of the insurance? Life insurance can be an essential part of the financial and legacy planning. When shopping around for coverage, you may come across various products that fall into two main categories: terms life and permanent life, also commonly referred to as whole life. Understanding the essential difference between the two, the difference can help you make coverage decision according to your needs goals. Remember that insurance products for the groups policies that cover a group of the people under a single contract. Coverage and offered through an employer can differ from the policies and so the individual. The following information from below focus on the product as it typically is sold to individuals. What is a term life insurance? A term life insurance is purchased to last for a specified period such as 1, 5 and 10, sometimes such as much as 30 years. The coverage expires when the period ends. Hence the name, and therefore they are and therefore a payout only happens if the insured death occur during the specified period. If the insured person outlives the originally policy period, coverage renewal may be option, but the premiums may be higher. How term life coverage works? A term life policy may be the most simple strategy forward option for the life insurance. For many people, in death benefits can replace the income you would have earned during the sad period, such as until a minor age depend upon or grows up, or it can be off if a large debit such as the mortgage, so that the surviving supports or the other hires would not have to worry about making the payment. When we exploring the life insurance options, you may encounter the word cash value. The term life policies do not cash value. Can your premiums go towards your payouts, making cost of for policy holders the company is lower than for the permanently life insurance. However, some insurance have created life and term life products within the return of the premium featured, returning a portion of the premium you pay if a claim is not billed before the end of the coverage term. These policies can be more expensive upfront than standard term life insurance. There are different types of the life insurance, including level term and the decreasing term. Level term life insurance offers a death benefit, and that stays the same throughout the policy. Decreasing term life insurance reduces potential death benefits. Benefits over the policy's terms are usually in 1 year increments. For more details on the different types of the of term life insurance, click here. Not needed. What is the permanent or whole life insurance? A permanent life, often called whole life insurance or cash value or life insurance, provides coverage for the insured person's lifetime as well, long as the premium and payments are in good standing. Unlike the term life, these policies may be cash value, which policyholder or their hires can access the under certain condition. Premiums as a result can be higher than for the term life policies. Whole life products include several subcategories, including the real and traditional life, universal life, variable life, and the variable universal life. How does cash value how when you pay premium for the permanent life insurance, they go toward the cost, and no need to stop there.